Hello and welcome to the Moon in Libra reading. I hope you're doing well and taking care of yourselves. I have linked the folder of the sun sign readings below. If you haven't checked that out yet and would like to, feel free. But we know the full moon's in Scorpio. And we're having transformations. Alrighty. Knight of Swords. Okay, I feel two messages in this card, and it's going to resonate differently for people that are joining me here because remember, we are all needing something different to heal. Either you're feeling very distant from someone and withdrawn and you like to feel closer, or you are fighting with someone and you feel too close to them and you need space away from them. And I feel like in both situations, it's driving you mad, but it's going to transform you because it's got you tied to your emotions. It's got you distracted. It's distracted. It's like you can't focus on anything else. But there's another pathway. It's like the moon's illuminating another pathway. Something has been cleared. You just can't see it yet because you're too busy with what you're doing right now. Yeah, Two of Cups, you're thinking about love. Or a partnership, some sort of situation with somebody. And I feel like you want it to go back to the way it was, but it's not going to go back to the way it was. It's going to transform. And the moon is trying to help put the pieces back together for you, but you're missing something. It's like there's a whole other reading here. So there's the star. You need to follow the light. This is like literally the light is guiding you here, is telling you to follow it. And here's the path. With the Knight of Swords, here's the path. There's two ways. You're blocking it. You can either go back down the stairs, and that's blocked, or you can go up through the door. So this is within. Now we go within, and with our Four of Cups, we go within and we find our faith and we integrate the light. And we have to believe, we have to trust, we have to do the work to gain a bird's eye view. Because here is the moon. Here's the moon with the pull and the Eight of Cups, and it's pulling you in a different direction. There's the Two Cups, there's the Eight Cups, that equals 10 cups. We know the 2 cups are missing because there they are. And the moon is pulling you. Because here's the star and here's judgment. Here's the transformation and the new beginning. There it is. You need to follow the light and have faith and go within. And right now you're feeling like this. This is the Eight of Swords. This is how you're feeling. I mean, I can feel it. You're feeling lost in the dark, but all you have to do is follow the light. All right, let's see what's being hidden. There it is. That's the Nine of Cups. There's wish fulfillment. So we have to go on this voyage with the Eight of Cups so we can go and fill up our cup, so we can have the Ten of Cups. Because that's, you know, how we get the Ten of Cups. We have to fill up our own cup. It's a journey. At last, the card of wishes comes true. When the Nine of Cups appears, worries and fears will be cast away. A new phase of peace and harmony awaits. The world seems to be granting your every wish. Good health, happiness, and even material gains are heading your way. Enjoy. Well, hello. Follow the light. Wish fulfillment. Wish is coming true. The energy feels a little frantic right now in these cards. Alrighty, there we go. I am unique. My personality, with all its quirks and eccentricities, is a perfect expression of divine love. I acknowledge that I am uniquely designed to bring certain energies into play in an innovative and beneficial way for all. And that's why we transform and we rock our inner uniqueness and what makes us different. And even our scars, we heal them though, right? Now, natural grace. I cherish the pace which God, source energy, provides for my life. I accept the tempo, action, and appropriate to my native interests. Taking my cue from the seasons, I count my blessings in the small daily events which mark my calendar. And remember, God, guys, when I say God, that's source energy, whatever that is for you, okay? Thank you for joining me here. I'll see you again soon. Take care. Till next time.